and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. If you want to make some awesome games and you need some assets, there's a really excellent sale right now on the Cinti store. All of their awesome packs are currently discounted, and then there's some that are 70% discounted. For example, there's this really awesome Mech Pack. Every time I see this pack, it makes me want to make my own version of Titanfall or some kind of Mech Warrior game. This would be absolutely perfect, or just to play around and make something with a ton of customization. Another great one, 70% off, is the Shops Pack. This one would be perfect for any kind of tycoon, shop simulator, that kind of game. Those kinds of games that are really hot in Steam right now. You've got tons of props to make all kinds of shops. Lately I've been working on my Code Monkey Toolkit asset in order to basically test out all these tools that I'm building. In order to do that, I'm basically making some kind of shop simulator game, something nice and interesting. I'll definitely be using this pack in order to make that one really visually appealing. By the way, if you're interested in my toolkit, check out the link in the description. It's basically a collection with tons of tools to help you make games better and faster. Then you also have the military pack, all 70% off. This one is absolutely perfect if you have any kind of game ideas that involve shooting. You've got tons of characters, tons of props, weapons, vehicles, pretty much everything. You can actually download my free weapon attachment system that I made using this pack, so you can use that one as a great starting point. If you like racing games, then this pack is also excellent. Every time I look at this one, it makes me want to make some kind of car mechanic simulator game, something where you break the car into various pieces and modify, upgrade all of them. I think that would be a really cool idea. This is also the pack that I use in my drag racing minigame, so again, you can also download that one and use that pack. The Polygon Modular Fantasy Characters, this is the one that you want if you want to make pretty much an infinite amount of characters. It's all modular with tons of pieces so you can swap them out. And on this one I also made a character customization system, so you can use exactly that same thing, download these project files and use with that pack. The Ancient Empire pack, this one also looks super cool. Every time I see this pack, it makes me want to make a game inspired by 300, that would be super cool. And you've got tons more stuff. There's a casino pack, there's a sci-fi pack. You've got packs for making sci-fi stuff, for making dungeon stuff. You can make apocalyptic games. You can make games with simple characters. You've got goblins, you've got some weird ancient Egypt, you've got some elves, some dark elves, and a tons more stuff. So yep, whatever game idea you have, you can find a pack that is perfect for whatever game you're trying to make. Check out everything on sale with the link in the description. Or alternatively, if you want an even bigger discount, then Unity is still running their 3 bundles, all of them at 95% off. These have a ton of tools and assets. For example, on this one, you've got a really nice spline tool, some soft shadows. You've got some cute adventure characters. There's a really nice outline effect. On the realistic bundle, on this one, you've got a really cool realistic car controller. You've got some online maps, a chat box. You've got the gallery, really nice tool for adding decals to your game. And then on the sci-fi bundle, on this you have tons of sci-fi stuff. So you've got some lighting systems, some more customizable characters. You've got a space combat kit with tons of stuff, or just a nice simple UI soft mask. So yep, check out everything with the links in the description. Those are all affiliate links, so if you pick up anything through those links, you get some really awesome assets to make some awesome games, and I get a nice commission. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.